shit, this is really bad. Làm啲嘅豆腐係佢滾呢個咪？呢個藍嘅叫係呢個。我買大魚啊，激啲。
支付宝待证20元。
So, Ethan, we just bought this fresh tofu from the big market, and how do you think we should cut it?
I'll teach you a simple way without using the cutting knife.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just teach you and then you can do it by yourself. Quite easy.
Okay, I gotta see that.
Yeah. So now you only cut the green onions and cut it into small pieces. Then that's it.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Yeah.
Not that much oil.
Okay, go enough.
Enough?
Yeah.
Okay, put this aside.
In case the water causes the oil spitting out, so we'd better turn off the heat and then slowly put the whole piece of tofu into it. Put it all in and then turn on the heat.
All right, I got that. Vicky, shall I turn off the gas now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Better do that.
Yeah, I'm scared of the oil spitting out. Okay. Now I can put the tofu inside.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope it doesn't spit out. Just put it right in. Just put it right in. Wow, that's so scary. Shit. I told you.
The other one. The other one.
I'm so scared. I hate this. Wait, the other one. It's water.
Spatula.
I better use this. Oh gosh, lucky you said turn off the gas first, or else it's hot. And then what I do next, Vicky?
And then fry slowly over medium low heat.
Okay, I'll turn the gas back on.
Yeah.
Gosh. Oh. Can I do that now?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, do it quickly.
Ooh. Like this?
Do it. Just do it.
Just divide into pieces, is it? Oh, this is my first time doing this.
So there's no need to use the chopping knife.
Right. This way is much convenient. This is very convenient. I see what you mean. And it's not spitting it out anymore. Hey, I just cut the tofu. Look.
But now don't move. Now don't move.
Sure.
Just let it stir fry.
Okay. Just let it keep frying, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ethan, do you think it's almost done? It looks done to me. Should I?
Yeah, I think this fry is almost done. You better flip the tofu.
Okay, I'll flip it now, okay? Right, watch me. Oh! Oh, shit, this is really bad. Oh no, Vicky, what are we gonna do? It's all on the stove here. What a mess. So messy.
It's alright, it's okay. Your house is, sparkling clean. So just pick it up with chopsticks and put it back into the wok to cook.
Okay.
We can still eat it.
Oh, really? Okay. I hope it's clean. All right, I'll do that now. Okay, let me quickly pick it up now. Gosh, what a mess. Gotta be gentle with this. It's so soft. Vicky, I think
You haven't done that before, so not familiar with flip the tofu with the wok. If you do it several times and keep practicing, you will do it quite good. So no worries. It doesn't matter.
okay, you're right. But I think in your heart and mind, you're probably scolding me, right?
You're still learning to cook, right?
Yeah.
It's alright. You'll learn it gradually.
Okay. I think that's all.
Turn on the heat.
Okay. Turn the heat back on.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Do I leave it on medium low?
Yes.
Okay. Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, the first one is oyster sauce first. Okay?
It depends. Okay, you just put
Just
it in
put
it.
the oyster sauce here and the soy sauce, okay? Put it just right in. Now I'm gonna put the dark soy sauce, okay?
Oh, hey, my gosh, you put them all.
Not this much.
Just a little bit.
Oh no. What should I do now?
Damn it.
I think it's okay because I find the color looks good. I mean, the dark color looks better, right?
We were going to have fried tofu with green onions. Now you changed it to dark soy sauce mixed with tofu.
I know. But I think it's okay. I like how the color is nice. It's dark.
Hi.
Sorry.
Okay. We already add so much soy sauce, so we just leave it.
Okay.
The dark soy sauce too much.
Too much, right?
Yeah, no, come on. Pour in a little starch water.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Whoa. Okay, the starch water coming. The starch water is coming.
And then add a green onion and simmer a little while.
Slow down, slow down. Let me do this part first. So just a little bit of starch water.
Yeah.
I better at least to. Let me just try to mix it a little bit.
Yeah.
I think it's lower the flame a bit.
Add a spring onion quickly.
Okay, okay. All of it.
Okay, enough.
Enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn to low heat.
Yep, done that now.
Cover the lid.
Cover
Do
the
it quickly.
lid. Quick. Let me get the lid. Okay, I've got the lid now.
It's low heat.
Yeah, let me check. Yep, it is low heat. I overpoured the dark soy sauce. I'm sorry I did that, but I think it's okay, right? I mean, it's still edible.
Lucky you haven't added salt yet.
That's right. So I think.
Otherwise, how to eat, baby? How to eat?
I know. It might be too salty, right?
Oh, I think the time is enough now.
Yeah?
You can
Move the lid now.
do it quickly.
Okay. Try. Smells really good.
Oh my gosh.
How is it?
I should say it doesn't matter.
I think it looks good. Looks not too bad. Just a bit dark.
Anyway, you will do it better and better.
Yeah? Doesn't look that good, right? But I bet it tastes delicious. Okay.
It can look gorgeous if you didn't put that much dark soy sauce.
Yeah, I agree. But as long as it tastes okay, as long as it tastes nice, right?
Yeah, later you can have a try.
Yeah, I feel it might taste alright. Might turn out okay. Just looks really dark. Okay. Looks not too bad. Hey, Vicky, come and try some.
Come on, then you try and taste first, okay? In case it's poisonous.
Are you sure? It's not toxic. It's okay.
I'm just joking now.
It just got too much dark soy sauce, that's all. I'm pretty much it's good. Let me try it. Come and eat now. Try one. Come on, Vicky.
Tasty?
Yeah, I mean, not as good as you, but I think it's all right. Try some.
What's this?
It's just the starch and the oyster sauce clumped together.
Oh.
Yeah, and mixed up together. That's all. It's okay.
Are you sure it's not poisonous?
No, it's not poisonous. It's okay. It's edible. Try it. Eat it.
Oh, okay.
Is it nice?
It's hard to say.
What do you mean?
It's hard to say. Very hard to say. I cannot. I don't know how to say it.
I think it's edible and it's not too bad, I feel. It's not as good as your cooking, but I think it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. You just learn how to cook, so it's a process.
Yeah, next time add less dark soy sauce. Gotta be careful.
You will get improved next time, I believe.
Yeah.